Did you know that nearly half of the world's population is deficient in a critical vitamin? This widespread deficiency doesn't just impact overall health, it wreaks havoc on your skin. We're talking about vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, and its absence can leave your complexion looking dull, feeling dry, and even accelerate aging. The good news is that recognizing the signs and taking action can restore your skin's radiance and vitality. It's time to uncover the truth about vitamin D deficiency and empower yourself with the knowledge to achieve healthy, glowing skin from the inside out. Get ready to discover the power of this essential vitamin and unlock your skin's full potential. Vitamin D is truly remarkable. It's not just any vitamin, it acts like a powerful hormone regulating various bodily functions, including skin health. Our skin, you see, is designed to produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. This process is nature's way of providing our bodies with this essential nutrient. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in skin cell growth and repair, helping maintain a healthy skin barrier. This barrier is our first line of defense against environmental damage, keeping moisture in and harmful toxins out. Moreover, vitamin D exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, calming irritation and redness while promoting a more even skin tone. So how can you tell if your skin is crying out for more vitamin D? The signs are subtle but significant. Have you noticed increased dryness or flakiness, leaving your skin feeling rough and lackluster? This could be an early indication of vitamin D deficiency. A persistent dull complexion lacking its usual vibrancy is another telltale sign. But it's not just about aesthetics. Vitamin D deficiency can also exacerbate existing skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, leading to flare-ups and discomfort. If you're struggling with these issues, addressing your vitamin D levels might be the missing piece of the puzzle. Now let's talk about boosting your vitamin D levels. The good news is that addressing vitamin D deficiency is entirely achievable. While safe sun exposure is the most natural way to boost your levels, it's not always practical or sufficient. Don't fret, there are plenty of other ways to up your intake and give your skin the love it deserves. Start by incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources, as are egg yolks and fortified foods like milk and cereals. Additionally, consider adding a vitamin D supplement to your daily routine, especially during winter months when sunlight is scarce. Now share your sunshine secrets. Have you experienced the vitamin D difference? Now that you're armed with the knowledge of vitamin D's skin-transforming power, we want to hear from you. Have you noticed a difference in your skin after incorporating more vitamin D into your life? Share your experiences and let's inspire each other on the journey to radiant, healthy skin from within. Do you take vitamin D supplements? We made full video about vitamin D supplements, click up in the right corner to watch it. What are your favorite vitamin D-rich foods? Let's start a conversation and unlock the secrets to a brighter, healthier complexion together. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends that can find it helpful too. Until the next one, see ya!